चलिए शुरू करते हैं ना। टॉपिक मैंने बता ही दिया आपको, रक्षाबंधन पे बोलना है आज आपको। सब लोग सुने एक दूसरे को ध्यान से, ठीक है ना? यस, कम ऑन प्रीति।
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agrawal. Today, our topic is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brothers and sisters. It is celebrated on Shravan Mas Purnima every year. Sisters, there are many stories behind for this festival, but one of them famous story is that Lord Krishna, when Lord Krishna was killing the Shishupal, at that time his little finger cut down, and that time Draupadi tied a tied the strip of her sari on his wrist. So from that day, this festival is has started. It has been started because Lord Krishna promised to Draupadi that you have tied this strip on my hand, on my wrist. So I will fulfill your wish, and I will fulfill that. You have tied only one strip. One day I will fulfill this. Your सर कर्ज को क्या बोलेंगे?
डेप्थ।
Debt. Okay. So from that day, we have started to celebrate this festival on Shravan Mas every year. Now these days, we celebrate this festival as a Raksha Bandhan, and before this before one day of this festival, we make salonas with geru and whitewash in our homes, and we sister applies henna on their hands, and they pray to God to give the happiness to their brothers. And next day, those sisters are unmarried. They stay at their home, but those who are married, they come go to their brother's house, and they they take a Rakhi, they buy a Rakhi from the market, and they tie that Rakhi on their brother's wrist, and they apply tika on their brother's forehead, and they put the rice also, and they give the sweets to their brothers, and brothers also give return gifts to their sisters, and they promise to their sisters that they will always protect them from any problems, and they will always help them. And this festival is ma- make the bond of the brothers and sisters in, and by this festival we always create, or we always increase the bonding of brothers and sisters. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड,
From
बहुत अच्छा। ठीक है। यस, कम ऑन श्री।
Hello everyone, my name is Kritika Sharma. Today I tell you about um, Raksha Bandhan. Mm, it is celebrated on Bhadrapada Purnima. On this day, before before this festivals, before this festival, people bring Rakhis, etc. And on this day, after bath, sister and brother put on new clothes, and on this day, sisters apply the tika to their brothers, and on on their brother's forehead, and and they and they and they reach, सर बांधने को क्या बोलते हैं?
टाई।
And they tie Rakhi to their brothers, and they and they give uh, so many gifts to their sisters, and money also. They they promise that they will help to in सर कठिन उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
हैं?
Problems.
हाँ।
In problems,
हम्म
I have a younger brother also. I also tie Rakhi to their to her, to him
हम्म
to him hand,
हिज
and
हैंड
he
टू हिम, बस टू हिम भी
his
काफी है। हाँ
his hand his hand and he gives me chocolate.
हम्म
Uh, he we and on this day people made make different type of food and bring sweets. On this day people are very happy,
हम्म
and uh, on this day we went to my nanny's house, and we and on and my mother tie my rakhi on my mama's hand,
हैंड नहीं,
and
ऑन माय ममाज रिस्ट।
on my mama's wrist,
हम्म
and he give gifts to my mother,
हम्म
and my mother applied the tika to my mama
हम्म
for mama's forehead, and we enjoy there so much. um, I like that festival so much. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। यस आस्था।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Astha from Brahman English Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling you about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan festival celebrate in August month.
इज सेलिब्रेटेड, ध्यान रखो।
Celebrated in August month.
हम्म
This festival is the famous festival of brothers and sisters.
हम्म
This festival is also very special for brothers and their sisters.
हम्म
On this day, we put new clothes.
पुट ऑन
We
पुट
put
ऑन
on new, we put on new clothes. Sisters and their brothers go to temple on this day.
हम्म
They worship God.
हम्म
We make and purchase sweets of many types on this day.
वेरी गुड।
We make and eat delicious food on this day.
हम्म
They do sisters keep kept fast on this day.
कैप नहीं, कीप ही आएगा ना बेटा।
Sisters keep fast on this day.
हाँ
They do not eat food.
हम्म
Sisters eat food when they tie rakhis on their brother's brother's wrist.
हाँ वेरी गुड।
On this day, sisters purchase their rakhis.
हाँ देयर की क्या जरूरत है, राखीज ही बहुत है।
Rakhis from market, and brothers purchase many types of gifts for their sisters.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश बेटा। हाँ
When sisters tie rakhi and apply tika on their brothers' wrist,
हम्म
brothers promise to their sisters that they help their sisters in their every problem.
हम्म
We enjoy this day so much. I also like this festival. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, ठीक है बेटा। दृश्य।
Hello everyone, I am Darshya Agrawal. Today I am going to tell you about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is also a festival and it is also very important. It Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brothers and sisters because on this day, sisters tie Rakhi on brother's wrist. Um, before before this festivals, before this festival, sisters go to market and purchase sweets and rakhis for their brothers, and brothers also purchase many types of gifts for their sisters. On this day is celebrated because while killing Shishupal, Lord Krishna's finger got cut, um, and um, and Draupadi tore a part of her sari, and tied it onto the it tied it onto Lord Krishna's finger.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया बोला, शाबाश. हाँ.
And on this day, sisters eat sweets to their brothers. After that, brothers give gifts. This festival, this festival is celebrated on Falgun Mas Purnima. When Lord Krishna kill Shishupal, it was the day of Falgun Mas Purnima. On this, that's why Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on Falgun Mas Purnima. Many people wait for this festival, that when this festival come and they meet their sisters. Girls who are married come to their brother's house. That's it.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है. Yes, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit, and I am the student of B.Ed Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the festival of sisters and brothers. It is celebrated on the Falgun Mas Amavasya. That day, sisters apply tika to their brother's forehead and band Rakhi to their brother's wrist. That day, people make sweets on their home and
in their homes. At their homes, कर दो. At their homes, हाँ.
At their homes and purchase sweets from the shops. That day, sisters buy Rakhis from the market and take them to their brother's house. And brothers also buy some gifts for their sisters. That day, then sisters apply Rakhi to their brothers, and brothers give the gift to their sisters. And sister also give the coconut and sugar powder. This festival is a very good festival for brothers and sisters. This festival is celebrated with the joy and happiness. That day, brothers give new clothes to their sisters, and he promised to his sisters to save her from every difficulty.
Very good, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश. हाँ.
And by this way, we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. That's all, sir.
Very good, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हो सभी लोग, बहुत बढ़िया. सुहानी.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Suhani, and I am the student of B.Ed Ramban English Interactive Classes batch. Today, I am going to tell you about Raksha Bandhan. India is the big country, and there are many festivals are celebrated. Celebrate. There, many festivals are celebrated there, and Raksha Bandhan is one of them. Raksha Bandhan is most holy festival of India.
Holy.
And it is holy festival of India, and it is comes on in August, Shravan Mas Purnima.
It comes.
It comes every year in Shravan Mas Purnima. And it is very good festival for Indians, and it is celebrated of this is festival of brothers and sisters. This day sister tie सर मोली को क्या कहेंगे सर?
मोली को sacred thread बोल दो आप.
Sacred thread on their brother's hand, wrist, brother's wrist, and brothers and apply tika on their brother's forehead. And brothers have promised to help their any situation of their sisters. And brothers are and always brothers give gift to their to according their ability to their sisters. And it is very, and there are homes many the different types of food are made.
मतलब
यहाँ पर घरों में
तो घरों में in homes बोलो ना आप.
Okay, sir. There are in homes different types of food are made. And people purchase clothes and sweets on this day. And it is celebrated on Shravan Mas Purnima in the Hindu calendar.
In Hindu, according to Hindu calendar.
According to Hindu calendar. It is good festival, and in this day one festival is also celebrated there. There are Shravan Mas Purnima is celebrated there, and people worship Shravan Mas Purnima to their main gates, to their home main gates.
At their home's main gate.
At their home's main gate. And that's all, sir.
Okay. थोड़ा सा अभी आप और करो उसको ना. आप रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह नहीं कर रहे हो मेरे ख्याल से. राइटिंग भी नहीं कर रहे हो शायद. आप कर रहे हो क्या?
सर राइटिंग तो चल रही है सर, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर पाते सर. आपसे करेंगे सर.
नहीं, आप रोजाना यही बोलते हो. आप रोजाना यही बोलते हो. आप कितनी राइटिंग कर ली आपने?
सर 7 पैराग्राफ हो गए सर.
कर लिए?
यस सर.
7 पैराग्राफ पूरे कर लिए आपने?
यस सर.
भेजना जरा मेरे पास. फोटो लेके भेजो जरा आप, है ना. भेजो जरा फोटो लेके आप. यस अशफाक.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashfaq Khan and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is Rakhi. Now tell you about Rakhi. Rakhi is also festival of India. We celebrate it with happiness. This festival come in Shravan Mas according Hindi calendar. This is celebrated in Shravan Purnima, and according to calendar it comes in August, and on this day sisters go to market and they purchase Rakhi for his brothers, and all the brothers go to market for purchasing gifts for his sisters.
All the brothers से तो their sisters आएगा ना भाई.
Oh, their sisters. All every caste person celebrate it this festival. Mm, we 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 go to market on that day, and we bring many types of things like rangoli, roli, or chawal, etc. By rangoli we make नहीं by roli we make rangoli in front our doors.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। हाँ, करो, कोशिश करो।
All the sisters tie rakhi on their brothers forehead, no, on their brothers wrist. Then she applied tika on their brothers forehead.
ध्यान रखो थोड़ा, सी क्यों आएगा, दे आएगा ना, एक ही।
Okay.
या तो फिर हमेशा सिंगुलर ही यूज करो।
Okay, sir. They applied tika on their brothers forehead. Then brothers promise to their sisters that they will help her all problems in her all problems. Shops are decorated in this day with rakhi.
In this day नहीं, on this day.
On this day with rakhi, we purchase rakhi, and sweets are also make on the shops.
At the shops, on the shops नहीं।
At the shops, and we purchase it. And I don't know why this this festival celebrate, but this festival is celebrated in the memory.
Very good, very good. Practice
in the memory of Lord Krishna, and this is also important festival for brothers and sisters. That's it.
Very good, बहुत अच्छा। Yes, Anjali.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic Raksha Bandhan. There are many festivals celebrated in India. Raksha Bandhan, one of them.
Is one of them.
Raksha Bandhan, famous festival. It is celebrated on the full moon of the month of Sawan. It is coming month of August.
It comes in the month of August. This
festival is very important, brother and sister.
Four brothers and sisters.
People make many type dishes this day. Sister purchase sweets and rakhi for her brother. Brother purchase gifts for his sister. This day, sister and brother wear new clothes. Then sister apply tilak on her brother forehead and tie rakhi on her brother wrist. And sister eat sweets her brother.
Sisters offer sweets to their brothers.
Brother gives gifts to his sister and promise to take care of her in every situation.
Very good.
Sister pray to God for the safe and good health and bright future. The whole family is happy on this day.
Whole
family is happy on this day of Raksha Bandhan. I have not brother, so I am not excited for Rakhi. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोलने लगे हो अंजलि, शाबाश। Yes, Vinay madam.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell you about Raksha Bandhan. we live in India, and India is the land of festivals. We celebrate lots of festivals, and Raksha Bandhan one of them.
Is one of
Raksha
them.
Bandhan
Is one of them.
is one of them.
Hmm.
And Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates on the bond of brother and sister.
Hmm.
This festival is celebrated in Hindu region, and it is one of the most important festival of sister and brother. Sister and brother eagerly wait for this festival whole year. On this day, sister those who are married, they come from their uh, in-laws place in their mother place to tie the rakhi their brother's wrist. And so many delicious things are made on this day. And females apply henna on this for this festival, and they get dressed, they get dressed, well dressed on this day. And some years ago, when girls come to their mother home, they gathered and sing a song called them Malhar, Malhar song of Sawan. And it falls in month of August in English calendar, and month of full month of Shravan in Hindu calendar on
In
full
नहीं, as per Hindu calendar, as
as
per
per
English
Hindu
calendar, या according to लगाओ as per के अलावा.
Okay. As per Hindu calendar, on Shravan Mas and full moon day. And on this day, sevai and sweet things are made, and ghevar is the sweet dish of festival. And so many other sweets also are made on this festival, but ghevar is the most famous. Sisters come to their brother's home. They bring some gifts for some sisters make by herself for their brothers, and some are purchased from the market, and some are purchased silver rakhi, and they tie the rakhi their brother's wrist, and on the return of this brother give them gift, and promise that when they will in any when they are in any problem, they will help them and they will protect them. And on this day, sona is made on the wall, and it goddess of one kind of goddess in my rituals, and worshipped and after that we can eat, and before that not eat anything. And we celebrate Raksha Bandhan very joyfully. We get together, and we talk with each other. We have a very fun on this. We have great fun on this day. We eat different things, and we click so many pictures with our brothers. And sometimes we go outside for visit. सर घूमने के लिए visit ही बोलेंगे यार?
हाँ कर दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
For the visit, and sometimes we go for shopping. We purchase so many things. Our brother shopping कराते हैं कि नहीं, क्या बोलेंगे सर? Our brother get, हमारे भाई शॉपिंग कराते हैं.
हाँ तो ये बोल दो ना, our brothers take us for shopping. Brothers take their sisters for shopping.
Brothers take their sister for shopping, and they purchase them whatever they want.
They purchase for them.
Okay. They purchase for them whatever they want, and this way we celebrate our Raksha Bandhan, and it is a very wonderful festival. It is a festival of love, and it is celebrated with very joy and enthusiasm in India. That's it.
वेरी गुड मैडम। थोड़ा सा ऑडियो का जो आपका क्वालिटी है ना,
ओके,
वो थोड़ा सा ठीक करो आप इसको।
क्या आवाज कम आती है? फोन में प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं
मतलब
होगी?
क्लियर नहीं है आवाज अभी। मतलब आप सुनना जरा अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग ना, जितना क्लियर आनी चाहिए ना उतनी वो एकदम बीच बीच में कम हो जाती है, फिर तेज हो जाती है और स्लो बहुत। वॉल्यूम मतलब जो आपका वो है ना, पिच जो है ना वॉल्यूम का, वो थोड़ा सा एक बार थोड़ा सुनना जरा आप, है ना?
हाँ ठीक है।
हाँ बाकी तो ठीक है। और थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो। रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह कर रहे हो क्या आप?
नहीं सर, ज्यादा तो नहीं हो पा रही है जितना करना चाहिए। मैं आपको बताऊं, कुछ चीजें ही हो पा रही हैं, जितना ज्यादा होना चाहिए।
अब प्रैक्टिस चाहिए आपको अभी थोड़ी सी और, है ना?
हाँ प्रैक्टिस, हाँ शुरू करनी पड़ेगी। जो अभी थोड़ा सा बीच में भी रही हूँ, आपने बताया था बाहर जाना पड़ता था मुझे जो।
हाँ 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 ओके, चलिए कोई बात नहीं, करिए आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा जितना कर सकते हैं। ओके यस वंश।
Hello friends, Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Today's topic is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is Raksha Bandhan is Kam Shravan Mask Purnima.
Is come क्यों
Comes Shravan Mask Purnima.
In Shravan Mas Purnima.
In Shravan Mask Purnima.
In Shravan Mas नहीं बेटा, on पूर्णिमा आ रहा है ना उधर।
Yes sir.
On Shravan Mas Purnima.
On Shravan Mas Purnima.
हाँ.
This festival is from brothers and sisters.
From नहीं four.
Four brothers and sisters. Sisters come brothers' house and buas come brothers' house. And apply tilak and wrist rakhi.
And tie rakhi.
And tie rakhi. Sisters purchased rakhi and sweets.
टेंस का ध्यान रखो। परचेज्ड क्यों? प्रेजेंट टेंस में तो आएगा परचेज।
Sister purchase rakhi and sweets. And brother purchase many lots of gifts. Brothers and sisters very happy in this day.
On this day.
On this day. Sisters apply tilak and rakhi.
Tilak and tie rakhi.
Tie rakhi. And sisters, sir वादा को क्या बोलते हैं? वादा को
promise.
And brothers promise every problem and every time help.
Brothers promise their sisters.
Brothers promise their sisters
to
help
them
in
every problem.
In every problem.
ऐसे पूरा सेंटेंस बना के बोल, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, है ना?
Okay sir.
हाँ.
And brothers gift. सर देना क्या बोलते हैं?
Give है ना? Brothers give gifts.
Brothers give gifts for sisters. Because this festival is necessary for us. That's it. So सर ज्यादा नहीं बोल पाया।
कोई बात नहीं, रिकॉर्डिंग करना है ना?
ओके सर।
कल भेजना फिर रिकॉर्डिंग करके मेरे को।
ओके सर।
कोशिश किया कर बस।
ओके सर।
कोशिश करेगा तो हो जाएगा, यहाँ तक पहुंचा है तो आगे भी जाएगा, चिंता मत कर। यस मोना।
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is also important festival. It is celebrated Shravan Maas Purnima.
Celebrated
Shravan Maas Purnima. This festival, it is festival of brothers and sisters. This day, all people purchase rakhi and other things. This day, sister tie rakhi their brother and
to their brothers.
And sister apply tika to their brother. And brother give gifts their sister. then all people are happy. This day people make sweets and
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, बस बोलती रहे. हाँ.
and this festival is very special of brother and sister.
4 brothers and sisters.
4 brothers and sisters. That's it, sir.
ओके, कोशिश करो. बस बाकी सबका हो गया, कोई रह तो नहीं गया? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच. 1 मिनट, आप बोलो.
My name is Chadita Agarwal.
हाँ, कैमरा चालू कर अपना. हाँ. हाँ, बोल.
My name is Mummy Agarwal.
मम्मी अग्रवाल. अच्छा. और?
Preeti Agarwal.
हाँ.
My name is Ravindra.
अच्छा. माय पापा नेम. ऐसे बोल. माय पापाज नेम इज रविंद्र अग्रवाल.
Papa Agarwal.
पापा अग्रवाल नहीं, पापाज नेम इज रविंद्र अग्रवाल. पापा अग्रवाल. और माय मम्मीज नेम इज प्रीति अग्रवाल. आगे बोल. माय ब्रदर्स नेम इज.
बोलो. अब बता रहे ना जी.
क्या?
हाँ, तो बता रहे ना. माय भैया नेम इज. बोलो. भैया नेम इज दृश्य अग्रवाल.
Dashra Agarwal.
हाँ.
मिस श्री सूरजभान अग्रवाल.
Sri Surajbal Agarwal.
वेरी गुड. और
अम्मा नेम इज श्रीमती पुष्पा देवी.
Pushpa Devi Amma.
अम्मा. पुष्पा देवी अम्मा. पहले तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है बेटा, सुनवाना तेरी अम्मा को. बस.
बस.
ओके.
Thank you.
ओके बेटा.